What's poppin', Jimbos? We're in the Gulf, going to pick up a new part for the Stang. It's not very new to us. It's been sitting around for a little bit. We had to get it painted and let it sit, let the paint cure before we could wrap it. But we're on our way to go pick it up. It just got wrapped. Ready, boys? We're back from the city. We just picked up the piece and we're putting it together. We just put the fog lights in and the dynamic turn signals. Now we're just mounting the clips that correspond to these screws all along there for the GT5 stock lip. Yeah. And now we can put on the lip. So we're putting in these bolts. They're a pain in the butt. So these are the little clips that they thread into, but they're a little hard to get to. I think if you flip it over, it'd be easier. So then the bolts just drop in.
So this is an interesting, dude, it almost looks like a GTR bumper from this angle.
Oh, no.
What do you mean? You don't want a GTR bumper? So it's interesting. I didn't know it had this much space under it, but is it really like that? All these weird things? Like, I did not know it was like that. Alrighty. Oh, come on. You can't show your nasty plate. You gotta show them the fresh guap. Oh, it's right there. Look at that, guys.
I got you, bro.
Dude, you got me, bro? Oh. Oh. See, this is what we're about at AGNB. Cheese me up, boy. Cheese me up. Cheese me up. Oh. Wait, do it with the elbow. Look at this. Oh my god, I got elbow grease in there. That's great. Oh, what is this guy doing? All tight? Dude, I did not know it was like that.
What are these holes for?
I don't know, that's what I was wondering.
Alright, Jimmy Johns, we ran into a little problem.
As we do.
As we always do. This is actually an extension of the 2011 to 2012 GT500 splitter, or lip. And I actually thought that this was its own lip, and I thought the 11 to 12s had a different lip than 13, 14s. But turns out that this is an extension and just sits below the lip, and that's why we have all this exposed clips and space. We were wondering what we did wrong. Today we found out that 11 to 12s and the 13, 14s all have the same lip, just ones have an extension. So gotta order another lip. We'll work on other stuff while we wait. You look like Michael Jackson. We're now gonna just work on ceramic coating everything. Start with the bumper. We're using Avalon King as we did. Whoa. I don't want to tell you what it is.
It looks like a ShamWow.
Yeah, you probably shouldn't have touched that. I got a joke for you guys.
I'll never wash this hand again.
We got this kit from Avalon King, Armor Shield 4. I don't know. Was that 4? Is that 9? 11?
I don't know. IX.
Armor Shield 9. So it's a ceramic coating.
They were
And
just
just put a few drops on this bad boy, 10 to 15 I think, and then let it sit for 1 to 5 minutes, and then wipe it off, and it should look beautiful. I think I should clean it first, right?
Yeah, I'd alcohol wipe it.
Oh yeah, there are fingerprints. A little bit of grease. I'd
Alright,
alcohol
yeah, do that. We're busting out plastic. Where do these come from? eBay?
We got these on Amazon. I don't know if they fit.
Yeah, they probably won't fit because they're plastic Amazon off-brand pieces. But we'll see. Let's find out.
As you guys know, we love our cars here at AGNB, so we like to get the cheapest possible parts because that's what you do to things you love.
That's another bendo.
Any day now.
Voila.
Yeah, AGNB.
What that be?
We don't like girls, we like grills. You know what I'm saying? I don't even want to like touch it. So this is one. Let's put this one. So we got the upper grill. Oh shit. More tape.
More tape.
I'm glad though.
You get the cranberry we want in a case.
No. They hold it like this. If you played CS,
nerd neck. Whoa!
You're wild.
He almost lost his Timmy. Whoa.
My worthless part of my life?
Bam.
Bam.
That's
Bam.
Sexy, man. So this is the lower? Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the lower.
Say cheese.
These are both Anderson Composites, if you guys are wondering.
Yeah, link in the bio. Don't comment where we got these because it's always in the bio.
And now we're going to ceramic coat both of these and then get them in there.
Yeah. because the bumper's already done. So we'll pick it up when they're ready. What's happening? Trying to crack any cars for hire.
Yeah, this is the only one that's not one on the... There's no clip here. What are you looking at? You literally just pointed it on there.
I think that's all the way in.
No, you...
I feel like you want it to snap.
Goes in more at the bottom.
Here we go.
Ah, that's in there, fine. This is just for extra airflow right here.
You guys look like you're under a car.
Shit, dude. Watch the Jackson.
Yeah, just working on under my car in my living room.
Bam. Alright, Billies. We put both the upper and lower grill in. Looking mighty fine.
It's a beautiful kind of day. We are taking the bumper off.
It's a little cloudy.
Starting her out. Damn, yeah, it's really cold out there if you could do that. Yeah, so we actually did a turn signal delete. We're gonna throw the GT500 bumper in the trash and just run it like this because that is just aggressive AF.
No, so it's actually an OEM Plus thing to open this up because it actually helps cool the
the tires. No, the tires. Alrighty, so we're gonna start by taking off the support bracket and then switching it with the GT5 one because that is included in the kit. Yes, that's the right one.
So if you look at your bracket support on the inner sticker, it'll say RH or LH. You'll know which goes where.
Yeah. So we actually have to take this part out as well. Just this is like separate from this. So you see that bolt right there. That's where that will replace. So we're gonna take both of those off on each side. This little thingy.
It's like 8 mil.
This little thingy, but. All right, these bolts are not the easiest to get into, but I mean, you can find a way, brother.
Well, you know which is which is, and which way it goes is this is supposed to go to the air intake on a GT500. So
Interesting.
This would be like a duct, and then your air intake would be here, and then on this side, since you don't have an air intake, there's no duct. So that's kind of how you know which is which side.
Dope. Now we gotta figure out where how they squeeze into these. So it's hard to get to those little dowels with these in place, so we went ahead and just pulled them out.
Yeah, it's just a Christmas tree that goes in here.
Yeah, like right there. But yeah, it's just easier if we pull it out a little bit. Like you don't even need to take it all the way. You put these dowels in there, and then it will hold. So this is actually a pain to like try to squeeze the thing in there. I could barely even get it in there, and like the duct doesn't even like fit in this hole, which is weird. So that's in. I gotta put that one in. All right, and now we're spinning this ding dong bolt back on both sides. And then we're not using these because these just held those in, and we don't even know where these go anymore, so don't need them. All right, we finally got those little pesky bolts. So just gonna tighten this up and grab the new. Oh hell yeah, bro! You wanna say what's up? This is the squad. Soon. Yeah, soon you guys will get a ride, all right? And whatever car you guys want. We'll make a little video of it.
Yeah, my dream car is actually a Mustang.
Really? What kind?
Probably a GT500.
Yeah, we're putting a GT500 bumper on this.
Really?
Yeah, that's what we're working on right now. So we really want to like get your guys' reactions one day of this thing.
Oh, guys.
It'll be sick. So yeah, once it's up and running, for sure. She sounds good, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Sheesh. Where's its chin? It has no chin. It's like funny because it's a GT500 bumper, but it looks like more stock because there's no chin slitter on it. It's so open. You guys are gonna see them in a reaction video here soon. We're gonna give them a ride in this thing. That'll be fun. See you later, buddy. So we were messing around and adjusting it to get it the body fitment all good with the new support brackets. So it's looking pretty good right now. We just have to bolt them in or bolt down the bumper. And then we have to wait for the new lips. So we'll see you then. Another day, another dollar. Got the lip for the Impala. So yeah, we finally got what we needed. As you see, there's a little gap. So we're gonna have to figure out how to mount that. We think and those go together like a sandwich, but gotta figure out how to mount these first.
Okay, so on the GT500 bumper, when you get it stock, it doesn't come with any like retainer clips. There's one on the fender liner for the bottom bolt, and there's one on the top when you're installing a lip for the bumper. So since you don't have these clips on the bumper when you get it, you have to take them off your stock bumper and reuse them. And this guy is gonna go in here like that. Alrighty, so we're gonna try to put the lip on first. We're gonna do the side bolts first, and then we'll work our way to the middle with the lip extension.
All right, we're testing out the fitment. He's slowly airing out. Dude, it looks so good. It's gonna be, oh, that you're on tire. Bro.
That's perfect.
Perfect. Jesus Christ. All right, so we got the thing up in the air. We actually just got some harness extenders for the fog lights, which is nice. So we got the car up. We're redoing the brakes. You'll see that in the next episode. Got them all sanded down. You'll see what we get to. But
so these are from Sparky. You can get them for around 40 bucks. They ship in like 2 days, so that was nice. And instead of having to tap into the stock fog light harness, we can just extend them.
Yeah, and take them out.
Extend the harness.
Take out what's in there. Yeah. So I'm gonna get under, show you. You wanna grab me? Give me one. Yeah, perfect. Show you what we gotta do. So this is how the fog lights came, just with these loose wires. But all we need to do now is unplug these and then plug in the adapters or whatever. I don't know if I can take this out one hand, but take those out and then should be good to, oh, that was actually super easy. All right, so it looks like this side of the harness, the bigger connector, is gonna go in like that. We should probably snake it through the top though first, huh? So since this is a GT, I think it's right here. Right here, I found it. So the smaller end goes right here, and the bigger end goes right there. I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we'll show you the result.
So this is where I zip tied my my temperature sensor. I just took like 3 zip ties and kind of zip tied it up by my horn, and you know, made sure there's no slack so nothing's, you know, flying around. And
bro, you almost lost an eye.
The camera lost an eye.
We're waiting for bolts for the splash guard here. There's supposed to be like a, you know, a splash guard there, so we'll pick it back up when we get those bolts in. What's poppin', Jimbos? We're back. Little update. This is a long time in advance, but the front bumper is finally complete. We were able to get the splash guard in from Ford, and this is actually really necessary, pretty important, because if you don't have this, the air will come up and want to slam your hood open, which will never be fun. Say, this is cool bumper. Cool. So this is the final look. Both the front grills, both the front lips, all completed, and it looks good, right, Luna? Give me a thumbs up. So this is how she looks. Pretty menacing. So that's been it for this one. A lot more on this car, that car, the cars in the back. You want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Say have a good one.
Have a good one.
Okay, now give the camera a high five.